Hi everyone, my name is Akhila Srigan. Today I am going to discuss on the topic of COM, CMP and diff commands of Linux operating systems. So firstly we are going to see the introduction of why we have to compare the files. So introduction, why compare files, use cases explained in detail, code management, track changes in source code, identify new features or bug fixes, collaborate efficiently with teams. Second one is configuration auditing. In this, verify system configuration files, detect unauthorized modifications, ensure consistent deployment across servers. And third one is data synchronization. Synchronize data sets across systems, identify missing or extra records, maintain data integrity with ease. To this, we compare the files. Then the com command comparing the com command comparing sorted files line by line. The com command in Linux is used to compare two sorted files line by line and displays their unique and common lines in three separate columns. Means in com command we are comparing two different files. Those files are must be sorted, then we can compare those two files and display the common and unique lines from that two files. So the first option is lines uniqueness to the first line in option 1, and in option 2 lines unique to the second file in option 2. Option 3 lines common to the both file. Then the syntax of the com command is com option file 1 and file 2. uh, com practical examples, identifying unique and common lines. In this, first one is find unique to file 1, use com dash 2 dash 3 file 1 file 2. This displays lines only present in file 1. Means in this, it displays only lines unique to the file, unique to the file 1. And second one is find common lines, use com dash 1 dash 2 file 1 file 2. This shows lines present in both lines. In second one, it shows the common lines from the both first and second file. And third, you find unique to file 2, use com dash 1 dash 3 file 1 file 2. This reveals lines only in file 2. It means it can display the only it can display the only file 2 unique lines. Then the CMP command. The second one is CMP command, binary comparison for identical or different files. The CMP command in Linux is used to compare two files byte by byte, byte by byte. 0. Identical files returns 0 if files are the same, no output if identical. 1. Different files returns 1 if files differ, shows different first differing byte. 2 is missing files returns 2 for inaccessible or missing files, indicates an error. The CMP command performs a byte by byte comparison. It's ideal for binary files. It quickly tells it files are identical or where they first diverge. Then limitations of the CMP command, focusing on byte level discrepancies. The CMP command is compare the lines byte by byte, compare the files byte by byte. So we can see the limitations of the CMP command. First one is does not show full differences between files. Means it cannot show the full difference in the file. It can show only byte by byte, only reports the first byte and line number of divergence, not suitable for human readable text file comparisons, lacks context for understanding file changes. While powerful for binary checks, CMP offers minimal detail. It pinpoints the exact point of difference. It does not provide a comprehensive list of changes. Use it for quick integrity checks. These are the some limitations of the CMP command. CMP, it as its name it's suggests compare, means it can compare the two files but byte by byte. The next and last is diff command. The diff command generating patches for file modifications. The diff command in Linux is used to compare the two files. Compare text files means it can compare the text files in this analyze line by line. It can analyze the line by line, identifying additions, deletions and changes. Then next one is generates a patch, outputs a human readable summary of differences. This can be applied to update files. Third one is version control, essential for tracking changes in code bases, facilities collaboration among developers. The graphical representation of a diff output formats in this normal, context and unified difference diffs compared. The next one is conclusion. Choosing the right tool for your file comparison needs. By concluding, com command is used when the two files are sorted. For sorted line by line comparisons, ideal for unique or common lines. Then CMP command for quick binary checks identifies first byte difference, minimal detail. Then last one is diff for detailed text file changes, generates patch files essential for version control. Select the command that best fits your task. Com, com for sorted lists, CMP for binary checks, and diff for textual changes and patches. Mastering these tools enhances our Linux file management. So, by concluding, com command is used when the files are sorted, and CMP for the binary checking, and diff command is textual changes and patches.